Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. This can be a game changer for job seekers. Okay, in this resource you will get at least 1000 plus startup list where finding job opportunities are higher. I will tell you how to use these resources. Okay, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you don't want to miss updates related to placement material, startup list and job opportunities, then subscribe our channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates. Also, previously we have shared all many resources for free. If you want these resources, go check it out. Okay, also you can visit Let's Resource where you will get all the placement related resources like web development, TypeScript, system design, resume related, JavaScript, DevOps, HR interview question, computer network, DBMS. Okay, you will get the PDF and which you can download it or you can read directly from here. Like this you will get all the placement related resources. Also, if you're looking for some projects, you will get projects related to Java, full stack, C++, data science, machine learning, React and Python, and we will add more resources, so go visit if you're looking for some resources for free. Now back to video. In this list you will get at least 1000 plus startup list with their company website, LinkedIn profile, Crunchbase link, their domain, headquarter, funding amount, their department description, and top 5 investors. Okay, so let's see how you can use these resources. First of all, you have to visit to their website, and in on their website you have to find their career section. Mostly will get career section in the footer or at the nav bar. Okay, and then you have to check list of current openings directly from the career portal. Okay, so if I visit to the career portal, I'll see list of openings where I can apply based on my skills or based on the requirements. So you just don't have to apply for every job. You have to check the job description. If it matches your skills and experience, then you have to apply. Okay, okay, it's taking time to load. Till then I will open any another. Yeah, maybe next. Okay, we got it. So here are some job openings for associate director, program engineer, manager quality, principal engineer. So here you can check for the engineering role, like you can sort location, department. So here are all the departments. So for software engineering you will get. Okay, for another department you can do from here. And this is the second website, popular cities. Okay, if I select Bangalore, they are suggesting their product. We don't have to do that. We have to find the career section. Okay, our story. Yeah, mostly we get there. Okay, about us, terms and condition, where we can get their career section about us. Let's see if we get career section. Okay, no issue. If you are not able to find their career section, we can easily get their contact. Okay, and also we can get contact them by their LinkedIn profile. In on LinkedIn you can check list of job openings directly on job section. So these are the roles which open, you can apply. Okay, so this is the one way, like you have to visit to their website. In website you have to find career section, and in career section you will find a list of job openings which matches your skills. You have to apply for that roles. Another way is to find cold email, like email their email, and you have to send them cold email. For example, here are their email, so you have to send them email inquiring about the job. That uh, first of all research about the company, what they do, and if there is any job posting for, if they are hiring any, then you can send them like you are this and you what you love about that company and how you can be beneficial for their company. You have to write that and attach your drive link resume with public access and inquire about, and the one follow-up email, don't spam. Okay, yeah. So this is the another way by sending them cold email, and you can easily get their email ID on footer or in contact section. Okay, if we visit one more website, let's see if we also have here career section, work with us. Okay, yeah. So like this we have at least all the startup lists for different area, like Chennai, Mumbai, Thane, New Delhi, Haryana, Gurgaon, like all the major cities plus as uh, some small cities. So one way is to like visiting to their career portal and sending them cold email. One is directly going to their LinkedIn profile. In LinkedIn profile, you will be able to see the job section. In job section, you can check about the list of openings. If matches your skills, then you can apply directly, as well as you can ask uh, referral from the employees. To ask referral or directly contact with the HR, you have to have a proper template, or you should have the strategy that how you can ask referral. So do that also, like research some, and I have one blog on how to ask referral on LinkedIn. I will share it with you in the comment section. Okay, so these are the three steps. Like first of all, visit the career portal and send them cold email and directly contact on LinkedIn, or reach out to employees for referral. Okay, I will attach this drive link in the description. If this was helpful, do comment, because if you share your thoughts or suggestions, it will help me to improve more and help me to bring more videos and motivate me. At the top, I have added some more startup list for Pune location, for Bangalore location, all India startup list, and some resources like free cloud resources, DBMS, Noida startup, complete web development resources. Go check it out. All the links will be like this seat link will be in the description, and the other links you can visit from here. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.